It's big now. Yep. We're just going to look at the center section. So the wings all glued together. Right? Oh. I have the... Oh man. Gotta be careful, I won't put pressure on it. Okay, so I have my 2 aileron servos here. Now, I'm going to make a smaller one. But for just argument's sake, I think I got shorter ones anyways. I'll grab a pre-made Y here. And we're going to plug these ailerons in and we'll test them before we go any further. Okay. They're in the servo tester. Put some oh man, they make a little bit of noise, eh? I don't know if you can see. Can you see? They ought to whack a bit. Let's look at the aileron. Centered. There's it centered. So I know that's pretty well level. And my ailerons are working properly. Right? Okay. That figured out. I'm going to leave this connected for now. I've got to get my other servo installed. Now where did I hide it? It's right here. Right back. I gotta get some support for this wing. There we go. Support. Now, if we remember right, wow, that Z-bend just isn't quite right. Sometimes you have to fix them, especially when they come from the factory. It was just a hair off. So I'm just using a pair of pliers. Just going to bend it a hair more. We'll see now if that's better. Yes. Okay. So, put the servo in. I want that wire to come up out of there right away. I'm going to fight with that later. Come on. Huh. I can see it. It just doesn't want to come out. So, we'll help it. Oh, where's that? It's not a big hole. And the stringer, or the ribs of the wing. There it is. Okay. That comes out. Now, uh-oh. Better stick that in our flaps first. Then put the servo down. Okay. Now, if you remember right, this kit didn't come with enough screws to put all these surfaces in. So, I'm going to use my own here for these little screws. What are these ones? Huh. Something 526 by 8 or something. Not too sure. They're just little screws. And we'll cinch this. Remember that too though, the servo is mounted to this wooden plate, right? So we want to make sure they're in there pretty good. That's for sure. So they sound nice and snug. And we're tightening up the flaps. On the servo after we get an adjustment on that. I have to turn it on first. Right? Oh. Just a little tighter, eh? This last corner. Oh no. Okay. Nice and flat. There we go. Okay, so I'll have to tighten that on. We get the flap servo in there. We tighten the grub screw down there. So let's power up the servo. There we go. Working flaps. Look pretty nice. Isn't a flap down there? I think so. I do. But there we go. They're working. So, what I'm going to do though, just a temporary thing, is I'm going to take these 3 wires together now. They come out 2 holes. Right? But my ailerons and my flaps. So now, the wing is done. Okay, just a quick shot back here. Camera says the battery's low. There's the wing from the top. Okay. And yeah, looks pretty good. Okay. We can see from the top, there's no flaps showing up there, they're only on the bottom. And the aileron's way over there. But there we go. Finished wing. It's looking really nice.